So there is a way of speeding up our goals, the achievement of our goals. There is a way to get ahead faster. So what's the fastest way to achieve your goals? What's the fastest way to achieve your life's biggest dreams? Well, there are lots of goal achievement systems out there, and I've tried a lot of them. And to be honest, back when I was in my early 20s, I hated the words goal achievement or goal setting, because you know what? I tried all sorts of different systems and they simply didn't work. At least they didn't work for me. Maybe I wasn't using them correctly. But now, years later, I've created, built and sold 18 businesses over the years. Back in 2001, when I was 39, I realized one day I'd actually achieved all my life's biggest dreams. All my life's biggest goals, I'd achieved them. And that wasn't by chance, I assure you. It was 90% through my own efforts. And there's also a way to do it slowly, with a lot of pain and disillusionment. And I assure you, I went through all that, because there's nothing worse than setting a goal, making lots of effort, and not achieving it. It's so disempowering. I reached the stage where I just stopped setting goals, because it was easier to avoid all that disappointment, make all that effort for months and achieve nothing. It was just such a waste of time. And one of those systems that I strongly recommend you don't use is the SMART goals system, SMART. And to be honest, it's one of the most popular goal achievement systems in the world. It's been used for years. That'll serve you okay if you've got very small goals. But goals that excite you, really big goals, the SMART goals system will fail you miserably. And in my bestseller, The Most Powerful Goal Achievement System in the World, I teach a system that will give you results right from the start. Because let's face it, people need results. They need results quickly. Otherwise they give up. Some of the better goal achievement systems in the world, they have as many as 43 different steps. That's way too complex for most people. Very few people will attempt to achieve their goals using a system with 43 different steps. So the most powerful goal achievement system in the world is very different. It uses the power of emotion to charge your goals with energy. And also, another thing that makes it very different to other goal achievement systems, we all have limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are the very things, the number one reason why people don't achieve their goals. Because we have all these beliefs that we're not capable, we're not worthy, we don't have what it takes. But most of these beliefs, these limiting beliefs, which have been formed through our conditioning since we were a child, as we go through life, and then we have lots of knocks, we have experienced all sorts of things where careers didn't go as we planned, relationships that went wrong. And in our 20s and 30s, we have so many limiting beliefs. So many beliefs that hold us back. We stop believing it's possible to achieve our goals. But most of these limiting beliefs are subconscious, and we're not even aware of them. And in my bestseller, The Most Powerful Goal Achievement System in the World, I teach you a very simple, really effective way to quickly become aware of your limiting beliefs in any area of life, whether it's relationships, whether it's wealth, it's success, whether it's finances, whether it's career, any area of your life. It's a really, really simple strategy to root out your limiting beliefs, become aware of them, and then cancel them forever. And you know what happens then? The door to possibility opens again. Things that you've given up on, things that would be impossible to you now, suddenly become possible. So, if you'd like to know more about this really powerful system, it's helped tens of thousands of people all around the world to achieve their goals. It has over 100 reviews, 5-star reviews on Amazon.com, Amazon India, Amazon UK, and it's really making a fundamental difference in people's lives. So most of the time, it's on sale for only, on Kindle, the Kindle version, for only 99 cents. I'm literally giving it away because I want this book in the hands of as many people as possible. I want to help change the lives of as many people as possible. And this book will do it for you. That's my promise to you.